Alright, hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about making money with Survey Junkie. So Survey Junkie is a very popular survey website for making money, and you can sign up. I have a link below to sign up, and you do get a sign up bonus because we do have a partnership with Survey Junkie. Now, I've spent a few hours filling out surveys to find out and tell you in today's video, is it worth it? Sorry, I was just watering my grass. I got some water, marks on me, but I have actually talked with Survey Junkie, with some of the people on the team over at Survey Junkie before we even started making content about them, and they are legit, okay? They are one of the most reputable websites out there. There's so many scams, there's so many horrible websites or bad survey sites that, you know, you gotta fill out like a million surveys and then you get a $2 gift card to, I don't know, GameStop or something. This one you can actually fill out money and get the money just transferred to your bank or PayPal if you don't want to type in your bank info, but I think I did PayPal, but I'll show you in my app how much money I made after doing this for about 3 hours. So without further ado, again, check out my link below. Please use my link because you'll get an extra little boost when you sign up. 3, 2, 1, click. As you can see here, very crazily, the term, I went ahead and typed in Survey Junkie and Google search trends. It's going viral right now. Like, so many people are trying to figure out, you know, is Survey Junkie a good way to make some money? As you can see on their website, take surveys, get paid, be an influencer, share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. So they actually have partnerships with very legitimate companies. Like, I fill out surveys for like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Disneyland. So they actually take the data from, you know, you filling out your survey, and they pay you, and they provide that data to these companies to help out with customer research. So that's how they pass along, you know, that money to you. Albeit it's not a ton of money, so they are probably making a lot more money on their end, but yeah, anyways, I'll just get into my app and show you guys how the app works. And yeah, you can redeem for gift cards and stuff. But yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is the Survey Junkie app. I have it right here. This is what the app looks like, just so you guys can see it. Survey Junkie. And once you open the app, this is what it looks like. Obviously, I'm already a member, so they show you a, you know, you basically, the way it works is once you collect 500 points, you get $5. So you can take a 5-minute survey for 50 points. If you do it quickly and fast, I know some people are like, you know, take your time with these things, but honestly, just fill them out as fast as you can. Who cares? I mean, obviously don't lie, but like, you know, you're in this to make money, right? The faster you do it, the faster you do. So take survey. What is your religious affiliation? Other, like, you gotta really read the answer and answer fast. Do you own any of the following pets? Don't own pets. Just click save and continue. How much of your household's grocery gift shopping do you do to yourself? All of it. What's your living situation? Own. What's your marital status? Single. What's your race? Hispanic. Like, let's go, let's go. Yes. Do you have any children in the household? I don't have children. What's your gender? Male. Surprisingly, a lot of you guys think I'm a female. I'm just kidding. What's your household income level? Prefer not to say. You don't even need to say anything. Registered voter. Prefer not to say. Self-employed full-time. Let's go. I don't work. Let's see. Internet. Yep. They already know what I do. That's crazy. I'm the owner of my business, so continue. CEO. How many employees? 1 to 10. Already said that. And boom, I just got 50 points. So like I said, like it said that was gonna take 5 minutes. I probably did that in 1 minute. So you can really crunch the numbers here. And and I'm not lying, but it's like, you know, I'm used to these things now. So should have gotten those 50 points. I don't see them in my app now. Maybe it takes a second to update. But regardless, these are all the points I've made. These are my lifetime points. And you can see on 5/20/2020, so it's about 2 years ago now, I made 649 points. So that was $6.49 essentially. Survey Medley, What is 3 plus 2? 5. Congratulations, I just got 1 point. Okay, so, yeah, you scroll down here and pick out a survey you want, guys. They got a ton. I always go for the big ones. 155 points, 20 minutes. Come on, you can knock that out in 5 minutes. Just gotta go quickly. And what you wanna do, you'll realize very quickly it gets very boring. So you wanna turn on Netflix, turn on a podcast, do whatever. Basically watch the podcast while you're filling out surveys, or watch the Netflix show while you're filling out surveys. So anyways, guys, that's it. And then you can, you know, basically do it through bank transfer or redeem through, redeem for, let's see, can you go here? Oh, here we go. My points. Your current points, okay. History. Yeah, it shows all my history here. So yeah, guys, I think it's legit. Let me know how much money you've made. But yeah, that's just a quick overview. I do think it is worth it. And I do think you're not gonna get rich off of it, but hey, any money is better than nothing. So try it out. If you think it's a good idea, you could probably make 10 bucks an extra a day, but hey, that's $10 an extra you never had before. Use that money, invest it into another business, right? This isn't a long-term play. It's a way to make some quick money fast. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.